Telegram mutual contact error. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can solve the mutual contact error on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to solve the mutual contact error on Telegram, now this usually happens. So whenever you open up Telegram and try to send messages, Telegram might say, sorry, you can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. Now this can appear if you have been reported. This means that you can only send messages to mutual contacts, which are people who have already chatted with you or saved your number on their phone. Now this can happen if a non-mutual contact sends you a message first and then reports or spam you. There is a limit to the number of reports an account can receive, and once that limit is reached, you may receive the restriction. To send a message to non-mutual contact, you can just try to use a search function, but basically if you haven't chatted with them before, you can't send messages to non-mutuals, right? So that is simply the thing. If they're in a group, you can simply ask them to message you first, because you can't message them first. If they message you first, you can message them, but you can't just message them first, because many people have reported your account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.